We close our eyes and we focus on what's present for us, being aware of the space around us. Any sounds, any smells. Any sensation on the skin, on the body. The sitting bones supported by the sofa. The floor. Put an intention for the practice today. Hands together. Open your eyes. Namaste. Today we're going to do a revision of some of the exercises we've been doing in the past few weeks. And do you have a favorite one? Yes, I like that one. Yes, and the neck. Yes, well, let's start from the forehead down. So we put our oil everywhere, including around the ears. The ears have a lot of energy points. And we're going to start on the forehead, making circles with our fingers. When I did my face yoga, I like to first connect with the skin, connect with the part of the body that I'm working. And if you want to take one hand and go in one direction, across, making circles, and then the other hand and go in the other direction. This will also exercise your ability to use both hands. It's always easier with the hand that is your dominant hand. That's it. Very good. Now, with the fatty bit of your thumb, we're going to smooth it out on the forehead, Liz. So get the that's it. Good, lovely. Now we have our forehead nice and smooth. We're going to start strengthening it. So you strengthen the forehead by putting the hands as weight for your eyebrows. So open the chest wide, and we're going to do 20 repetitions with the eyes nice and open. Keep breathing. And relax for a moment. Tap, 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 tap. So the movement is caused just by the eyebrows lifting, not by the hands moving, yeah? Let's do another 20. Inhale. And release. Tap, 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 tap. Good. Now we're going to go to the eyebrows, making little pinches on the eyebrows. So pinch over the hairs on the eyebrows And it doesn't need to be fast. Just take your time. That's it, very good. And now we're going to smooth the eyebrows and massage the temples. Smooth the eyebrows and massage the temples. Smooth and massage. That's it. Smooth and massage. And from here, we're going to go to the sides of the ear and around the ear and the back of the neck. So eyebrows, sides of the ear, behind the ear, and the neck. Very good. This is for the lymphatic drainage. Excellent. Now we're going to do the V. So in the V, we rest the fingers on the inside of the where the lacrimal is, and the other one on the outside. So not on the nose, Liz, is just on the side of, that's it. And we look up and we flatter our eyelids. Flattering, 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 and breathing. And relax. So the fluttering is like doing like pretty eyes like this, but looking upwards. So it becomes almost like a vibration. Let's try it again. If you have difficulties, please talk to me, okay? So wait a second, please put one finger on the side of the eye and the other one on the inside of between the nose and the eye, further up. That's it. This is just to iron out the wrinkles. And looking up, and flatter, flatter, flatter. Keep breathing. And relax. Very good. Now, with these two fingers, the index finger and ring finger, we're going to smooth the, don't use your index finger, Chris, use your ring finger and middle finger. That's it. This is because the index finger is a lot harder, a lot. So under the eye, we're smoothing under the eye. That's it, under the eye. And now we go under the eye to the temple and the sides of the jaw. Under the eye, temple, sides of the jaw. Ah, that's it. Very good. Now we're going to help the cheekbones to stay up by rolling our fingers upwards towards the cheekbones. So one thumb stays on the side of the face, and both thumbs really, and the index fingers roll upwards. That's it. Good. And there are now the other side. So take like small portions of the face and go gently upwards. Lovely. And now Lizzie's favorite. You can put your fingers in your lips, not to wrinkle them too much. Very good. I can see that you've been practicing, eh? Now we're going to extend the lips over the teeth. I'm doing yes, it sounds like a cat a little bit. Good. Now keep the lips over the teeth, right there. And we're going to put the index finger on the chin, and we're going to go upwards like this. Good. Very good, and relax. Excellent. Another exercise for the lips. Bring your fingers just to the sides of the lips. And we're going to make the lips really thin and just push the fingers away. Chris, put them a little bit further away. That's it, in there. So the lips, everybody relax for a moment. The lips in here are going like if you were going to smile. Yeah, smile. Very good. Now, if you smile, but a bit like, That's it. Good. And did you feel it? Do you feel it? And now, let's do the marionette lines for a moment with the tongue inside the cheek. And you can also smooth it with the finger. Very good. And we'll do 3 turns in one direction and 3 in the other direction with the tongue. Change direction. And relax. You can feel how the tongue works hard. Oh, we are running out of time. Let's do 1 lion's breath to relax the tongue. Inhale. Lovely, very good. Now the smoothing of the chin with the little hooks. And then the neck. And rolling the shoulders back. Roll the shoulders forwards. And just let the head go side to side. Releasing the back of the neck. And we're going to finish finish massaging the ears. You can keep your eyes closed, just be pure sensation. All around, you can pull them a little bit. And relax. Keep your eyes closed for a moment, just feeling the whole face. And think back to that intention that you put at the beginning of the class. Bring your palms together, grab your palms. And that movement a little faster, generating prana between your hands. And place your palms over your face. Inhale deeply. Open your eyes to the darkness of your hands. Slide your hands to your chest. Namaste. Give yourselves a little clap. Well done.